So guys, ang ginagawa ko naman ngayon ay si Ant-Man crochet costume for baby. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya bubuuhin yung mga details niya. Ito pala yung nagagawa ko. Tapos yung short. Ang dapat gagawin ko dito, parang onesie. Kaya lang si buyer, hindi makapagbigay sa akin ng measurement ng baby niya. So, nanguhula na lang ako kung paano ko siya gagawin at ano yung inches. Inisip ko kasi kapag ginawa kong onesie, baka naman hindi naman kumarsya, parang baka masyadong masikip. Syempre walang adjustan yun. Kaya ang ginawa ko, pinaghiwalay ko. Pero sana kung meron siyang binigay sa akin na size talaga na hinihingi ko. Onesie siya, as in magkarugtong. Tapos sa likod lang yung open niya, parang zipper sa likod. Pero wala eh, wala siyang tape measure. Wala siyang medida. Hindi siya makapagbigay. Pero dati nagbibigay yun, ngayon wala. So yun, nahirapan ako paano ko siya bubuuhin. Ito yung sinusundan ko. Ayan, si Ant-Man, siya yung sinusundan ko. Ito pa lang yung natapos ko. Actually, magkahiwalay kasi to, top at saka pants. Pero ang first plan ko talaga gawin siyang onesie. Yung magkarugtong talaga siya. Kaya lang, yun nga yung problem ko. Wala kasing tape measure yung buyer ko. Yung last time na mga in-order niya sa akin, nanguhula lang din talaga ako ng size. Tapos yun nga, ito lang, yung last month lang yung order ay, medyo malaki daw pero okay lang. Ganun. Okay lang pero, basta yun nasabi niya, medyo malaki pero okay lang. So, hindi ko naman matandaan yung ginawa ko nun kasi ang daming babies nagpapagawa. Karamihan din walang size na binibigay kaya nanguhula lang ako. Pero ito kasi kaya gusto kong maging sure kasi magiging onesie siya. Ayun, iniisip ko, idugtong ko talaga tong pants dito. Or kung hindi nga, ayun, anyway, magbe-break time muna ako kasi 12 PM na. So, mamaya, baka makaisip ako ng mas magandang way. Basta kailangan ko itong tapusin ngayon para ma-ship out ko siya bukas. SPX Courier. Ito yung mga tinitignan kong mga kay Ant-Man. Ayun. Sige. Ang hirap kasi pag walang pattern. Talagang freehand lang tayo. So yun, break time.
This discussion is over for now. Just think about it. If you decide to buy a ship, let me know. My people can help. If you're able to spend 300 million, we can build a state-of-the-art ship for you. Khalifa?
Here, if you look this over, please. It's a catalog of our new and our used models. Use it as a price reference.
Hey, Iceberg! There's someone at the front gate who wants to see you.
There doesn't seem to be anyone on your appointment schedule for today.
It looks like those world government officials again. Should I tell them you're unavailable? Well, Yes, please. Say I'm gone. By the way, Lulu, you've got quite a case of bedhead. Oops, how embarrassing. My apologies. Anyway, I'll ask them to leave. Thanks. I appreciate it.
Hold it right there, Iceberg. Looks like you're here after all.
Hey, you two need to hide. Government officials are here.
What? Okay.
Well, hello again, Corgi. As you can see, I'm not here today.
Yes, you are. Come now. I've come all the way out here by sea train. Don't turn me away, it's impolite. For some reason, I detect the scent of pirates. Whatever. In any case, I want to talk to you.
I don't like you. Go away.
Are you a child?
No, I'm totally an adult.
Then start acting like one. There's something of special importance I need to discuss with you. I would appreciate it if you'd hear me out. Come, let's talk this over in private.
Those government guys are so damn persistent. What the hell? Damn, it's late. Where'd that straw hat run off to?
Paulie, we gotta go. All these streets are gonna flood before long.
All right, let's head back. I'm going to the main office.
Sounds good, boss. You heard him, guys. Time to move out.
Get out here and find me, straw hat! Where are you? Stop hiding! I thought that little turd had some backbone, but I guess I was wrong. Won't even show his face.
I know what you're saying, bro, but to be fair, the whole island is hunting him down right now, you know? Exactly. I bet he's hiding if he hasn't been caught already.
By the way, what's with this weird crab walk thing all of a sudden?
If we face the front, then the wind catches our hair, and we blow away! Speaking of which, the weather isn't the only thing that's out of control today. Tell me about it. It's like you've got a rampage going on inside you, too.
Shut up. I'm just like that this week, okay? Hey, no! Hey, bro!
Well, if it isn't somebody.
Tell me that you beat up those stupid straw hats. Yeah, but I tried to. Some angry mom showed up, got in the way, and Luffy took off. Are those guys lucky or what? When you're on a rampage, nobody survives. That's weird. I wondered why that big dude with the long nose was fixing the ship on his own. I figured that you'd wrecked up the rest of the crew so bad that he was the only one left that could do anything. Wait, you found one of them? Yeah, on their ship. Well, that's just fine, because all we need is one. In other words, we'll use that loser.
Hi guys, I'm done with my Ant-Man crochet costume for baby. So, ito na yung naging final decision ko. Pinaghiwalay ko na nga lang sila. Hindi ko na sila ginawang onesie. Kasi, hindi ko nga sure yung size ng baby. So, ito yung sa ulo niya. Dapat, i-close ko yung dito niya. Para siyang helmet na full face. Kaya lang, yung gamit ko kasi, Indophil yarn kasi siya. Kaya, wag na lang. Kasi baka masinghot ni baby yung yung himulmol. So, ayun. Ayusin ko pa siya. Paiinitan ko nang mawala yung ibang himulmol niya. Tapos, ito yung belt. Ito yung shoes. Yan. Si Frankie ang nasa screen. Pwede ba? Ayan. Usog natin. Nanonood pa rin ako ng One Piece. Inulit ko na yan mula episode 1. Kasi ang tagal-tagal ng upload. Natapos ko na yung latest. Tapos, ito yung top ni Ant-Man. Yan. Velcro siya sa likod. Velcro. Yan. So, di ko alam kung paano isusuot yan ng mommy ni baby. Kung itatak in or ayun, basta ito yung belt. Yan. Tapos, stretchable to. Kaya pag inano mo dyan, parang maliit. So yun, i-photoshoot ko na lang to. Tapos bukas dadalhin ko siya sa Emily Willier drop-off point ng SPX. Ayun. Thank you for watching. And I'm sorry I don't have tutorial for this kasi first time ko siyang gawin, nangangapa pa ako sa pattern. So kapag marami na akong time talaga, isa-isahin ko lahat ng costume gagawin ng tutorial. So yun, tonight, gabi na kasi. Ang oras ko ngayon ay ayan, 7:20 ng gabi. Nakapag-focus ako ng konti, kaya natapos ko siya today. Kung sobrang focus ko lang siyang ginawa, Tapos ko siya ng mula umaga hanggang gabi sana. As in, 1 whole day. Tapos ko dapat siya. Pero yun, inabot ako ng 2 days kasi nga hindi ako sure doon sa pattern na gagawin.